Walk down any street in India, and you are hit with a dizzying array of colors, spices, and textures. From the heavy wheat-based rotis of the north to the light fermented rice appams of the south, the diets of different regions look almost nothing alike on the surface. This table compares the typical meals of Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. Even though these states are thousands of kilometers apart, they use the exact same categories to build a meal: a grain, a protein like dal or meat, and a vegetable. This structural pattern repeats across the map. It suggests that the traditional Indian plate is built on a shared architecture, a design that remains consistent regardless of the local ingredients. We can define this architecture through three consistent pillars: a base grain, a protein source, and a portion of vegetables. Even when we travel and eat what is available on the road, we instinctively look for this specific combination to feel satisfied. Why does this specific three-part structure appear so frequently? Is it just a coincidence of agricultural history, or is it a requirement of our biology? Our bodies require a specific payload of nutrients to function. The different regional cuisines are simply different ways of delivering that same essential payload. To find that payload, we have to look past the final dish and examine the raw materials, the plants and animals we use as ingredients. These materials contain nutrients, invisible components that the body extracts and uses for energy and repair. To stay healthy, the human body needs a steady supply of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. If we deconstruct a standard meal, we can see how it maps onto these requirements. The rice or roti provides the carbohydrates, while the dal or meat provides the protein. Hunger isn't just a craving for a specific recipe. It's a signal that your body is running low on these 5 microscopic elements. We can prove these nutrients are physically present in our food without using a laboratory. There is a simple way to test for the most common nutrient on the plate: starch, which is a complex carbohydrate. The experiment requires only a raw carbohydrate source, like a potato, and a dilute solution of iodine. When you place a few drops of iodine on the potato, it reacts with the starch inside. The surface changes from the color of the iodine to a dark blue or black. This color change indicates that a concentrated source of energy, starch, is locked inside the solid food. Starch is the primary fuel engine that keeps the human body moving. This biological need is why vast regions of the country are dedicated to growing specific staple grains. Whether a state relies on corn, wheat, or rice, the objective is the same: to produce a reliable delivery system for the carbohydrates the population needs. A region's staple grain isn't just a cultural preference, it's a survival strategy, optimized for what the local climate can provide. Look at this traditional plate one last time. It's a precisely assembled system designed to meet our biological requirements. The grain provides the starch fuel, the dal provides the protein for growth, and the vegetables provide the minerals for health. India's culinary diversity is thousands of different, delicious ways to solve the same biological formula for human life.